You call it distraction. You call it disorder. You call it something that needs to be fixed. But what if it is simply energy that has not yet been given a direction? Look carefully. The mind is not broken. It is moving. And movement without structure feels like chaos. In this basement, there are tools everywhere. Metal wires, weight, edges. If I scatter them across the floor, they become danger. If I arrange them with intention, they become possibility. The tools did not change. The structure did. And so it is with the mind. What you name ADHD may be nothing more than voltage without wiring. Too much current for a system that was never designed to guide it. So you try to suppress it. You try to silence it. You try to discipline it into stillness. But energy does not disappear. It waits. And when ignored, it rebels. Awakening is not calming the storm. It is understanding the wind. If you observe your impulses without condemning them, a strange cooperation begins. The mind softens when it is not attacked. You see, control is not force, control is relationship. A craftsman does not blame the hammer for striking too hard, he adjusts his grip. A musician does not silence the instrument because it is loud. He learns its range. And here, in this quiet room, every object has a place, not because I am obsessive, but because placement is a conversation with energy. When I organize these tools, I am not cleaning. I am designing a nervous system. Each screw returned to its drawer is a decision. Each experiment recorded is awareness taking form. The world says, focus harder. But focus is not tension. Focus is alignment. When energy meets alignment, restlessness becomes momentum. Curiosity becomes precision. Intensity becomes creation. There is no need to become someone else. There is only the work of understanding the machinery. You already are. You are not your racing thoughts. You are the space in which they race. You are not the noise. You are the awareness that hears it. And once you see this, the question changes. It is no longer, how do I fix myself? It becomes, how do I build a structure worthy of my power? Because the same force that distracts you can also construct. The same fire that overwhelms you can refine you. Energy is neutral. It becomes destructive only when it has no texture. So I experiment. I measure. I observe. Not to eliminate my nature, but to understand it. Awakening is not escape. It is engineering. Not suppression, but design. And in the quiet hum of this basement workshop, amid steel and shadow, I discover something simple. I am both the current and the circuit. And when the wiring is intentional, the light does not flicker. It shines.